So you want to do videos, but you're maybe afraid or you don't know what to do, how to do them, on what content to do it on, how to customize your YouTube channel. You understand that video marketing is important, but you're lacking a little bit of confidence. I've got something amazing to share with you. Hey, my name is Anna Malimon, and check this out. I'm going to share my screen with you right now, and I'm going to show you something that's going to help you with all answer all those questions. So, in Video Ranking Academy, you when you check this out, I'll post the link below, but it's youtubebossnow.com. If you go there, you'll see obviously it's going to be a presentation to show you all the details and why you will want this in your life, but I want to show you inside that program. So here it is. We have the academy that's going to help you set up your YouTube channel the right way. It's going to help you have an understanding of the analytics and everything, how it all works, and what kind of videos you should post, and all those details. The camera confidence, this will help you get in front of the camera and just press record, because I know we all have ideas and we all want to do things, but we just don't have that confidence. So this will help us get there. Another thing is YouTube Hypergrowth Blueprint. This is like full of amazing value. It's got over 65 videos. I think it's like 60 in total, that is full of values to help you understand YouTube well and have complete strategies to help you scale your business quicker and start making money. So inside the Video Ranking Academy, I'll show you in just a minute, but there is also even a 1,000 challenge. So you can have up to 1,000 subscribers if you go through this challenge, because there's so many different ideas and all that you can check out. But I'm going to show you this one inside of Video Ranking Academy. There's a bunch of modules where they go into detail. Every single module has more videos inside of it also. So there's even, first you get started. Obviously there's a 7-hour system. There's a system that they use that works, and that's amazing to grow your channel. And then also understanding YouTube analytics. I mentioned that a little bit earlier. The best way to start making money on YouTube, and how to succeed in Video Ranking Academy. So basically some of your guidance here. And then obviously we want you to get better and better with every video upload, and that includes mindset, and that includes your videos. So I hope you check it out. So go to youtubebossnow.com and check it out for yourself.